Hey friends, if you wish to take a scrolling screenshot in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open ShareX or download and use it, and you can use this to capture a scrolling screenshot, okay? A scrolling capture, okay? So we can take a scrolling capture like this. Now, a lot of users are asking that why can we not do it with the sniping tool? See, earlier we had an option called a steps recorder that has been delimited. I guess we may still find it. Yeah, we can still find it, but it is being delimited. So I don't want to use it. It says that the tool is being phased out and you can use alternatives. Now, where do you find ShareX? You can download it from the Microsoft Store. If you search for it in the Microsoft Store, and then you can download it from there. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.